So you want to practice real magic, but your altar looks like the clearance aisle at Spirit Halloween. Let's sort this mess out, shall we? If you walked into a medieval magician's study or a wise woman's hut, here's what you'd find. A wand carved under planetary influence, not plastic, not Harry Potter merch you got at Universal Orlando. The athame, used in protective and commanding rites, essential for spiritual authority, meant to cut through illusions, not to slice cheesecake at your coven's potluck. The pentacle, a protective talisman inscribed with divine names or symbols, often not a pentagram at all, sometimes a hexagram or magical square. The pentacle is for commanding spirits and channeling cosmic forces, not holding tea candles at your coven's craft night. Incense. Use sacred resins, not cupcake fumes. Spirits aren't impressed by dessert-scented pollution. Virgin parchment, traditionally made from animal skin for writing names of spirits, planetary seals, and divine invocations. Not printer paper, not your notebook from Hot Topic. Now let's take a walk through the enchanted realm of social media, witchcraft. Mind the Etsy grifters. Triple moon trays, zero historical basis. Symbolic? Maybe. Magical? Only if you think aesthetics are magical. Glitter jars for hexing your ex. Ah, yes, nothing says ancient wisdom like a mason jar full of dollar store sequins and emotional instability. Crystal stacks. Traditional occultism uses crystals by planetary correspondence, not by how vibey they look on a shelf. Witch brooms, decor with fake moss. You want a broom? Construct a besom made under a waning moon for actual magical cleansing, not for posting hashtag witchcore pics. Real magic requires fewer accessories and more discipline. Essential tools, checklist, wand or dagger, consecrated. Planetary table, circle space, clean and protected. Parchment, ink, wax, your brain, preferably not melted by TikTok. Tools focus the will, but they are not the will. And no, your charging crystal doesn't count as inner power. It's a rock. You are the conduit. Magic is ancient, it's dangerous, and it's beautiful. But if your craft looks more like a Pinterest board than a ritual chamber, it might be time to rethink your path. Follow for more real occult knowledge, straight from the dusty books your favorite influencers pretend to have read. Welcome, the door is open.